In the last few days, in the last few weeks, we've been getting a lot of withdrawal proofs from no deposit bonuses, and it's been a really beautiful one. All right. I'm happy that I've been dropping updates and you all have been getting withdrawals from it. All right. So if you haven't been able to get no deposit bonus, you can just watch my previous videos and you'll be able to get one for yourself and start trading. And right in this video, I'll show you how you can get a free 5,000 instant funded account in this video. All right, just follow me closely as I show you everything you need to know. So check the description for the link, and it is going to direct you to my Telegram channel where you'll find the link to get to their platform. And once you click on the link, it is going to direct you right here. All right, and all you have to do right now is to click on sign up for free. Click on it and it is going to direct you where you want to sign up. So right here, you just have to follow the steps. All right. And so after creating an account, as you can see right here, account created successfully. You can now log in with your email. All right. So the next thing for you to do right now is to head over to your email. So this right here is the email I got from them. Now, all I have to do right now is to click on dashboard right here to proceed to logging in. All right. So as you can see right here, this is the dashboard showing right here. And as you can see, there are different type of accounts showing right here on their platform. All right. Now I want you to know that this particular pro firm has a good review on Trustpilot. All right. And if a pro firm can have a good review on Trustpilot, then they are very good and reliable. All right. Now, the next thing for us to do right now is to log in. Just click on the menu button shown right here and click on login right here. Now, you have to input your email address and password. Now, many of you might be having issue with using the password. All you have to do is just to forget your password, all right? Input your email address right here and then click on reset password. And then you are going to get an email like this that is going to reset your password for you. Just click on it and you can input a new password as you can see right here, and then you can update your new password and proceed to signing in. So right now I've inputted my password and this is me logging into my account right here, as you can see. Now to get this free funded account, all you have to do is very simple and straightforward. Just click on this menu button right here. And then you scroll down till you find something like rewards showing right here. Right now, to get this particular free funded account, you are going to be doing some certain tasks. All right. Just click on the reward. And after clicking on the reward, you scroll down right here and click on get started. All right. Now, as you can see, points to be claimed. You can claim 6,450 points right here. And these are the points that you'll be using to get this pro firm that we are talking about. Now, let me walk you through everything you need to know. As you can see, you can follow them on X and you'll be getting 30 points. All right. Different rewards right here that you can do to start getting points. All right. So as you can see, you just click on next and then you can start completing the tasks. All right. So now after being able to gather a lot of points, and the points you'll be able to get will be accumulating here, as you can see right here. All right. Now after getting the points, now you can click on this reward right here. And after clicking on reward, you can scroll down to start looking for the free funded account. Now, let me show you the free 5K instant account that we can get with this particular rewards. Alright, so you can just go scrolling to check what you can get with this particular rewards. Alright, as you can see right here, this is it. Free instant standard 5K. Now, as you can see, to get this particular account, you need 950 points to claim it. And this offer is going to be valid until January 1, 2027. So you have from now to January 1, 2027 to be able to get this free instant standard 5K account. Alright, as you can see right here, not enough points. I just have to start performing the certain task to get points that I'm going to use to claim this particular offer, and a lot more offer on this particular platform. As you can see, we have the free one phase 10K account as well, and a lot more. So this is how you can get this particular free 5K instant account and start trading with it. After getting it, then you can start trading with it. All right. So trust their payouts and their rules. They are very transparent with their rules, and you can get funded and also get your payouts with this particular pro firm. All right. And don't forget, we'll be getting a lot of withdrawal proofs, just like I said earlier. So ensure you jump on this as soon as you are seeing this. So this will be in this particular video. I hope you've been able to get one or two things from this video. And don't forget to like this video and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.